All right, hello, Litchfield. Welcome to 90.9 the quadratic for your geometry chapter 1 test review video. Today we are brought to you by and every day by Tazo Zen Tea, Caldy's Coffee, and our own in Litchfield Coffee Espresso. We thank them for their wonderfully priced teas, lovely coffees, and whatnot. Again, if you'd like to be a sponsor for Yak Math Videos 90.9 the quadratic, please send us an email. 20. And that's all we had to do there. Again, pause this at any time if you need to see, need to write down some of this work. The whole thing, AB is 93. AN is 3x plus minus 7. NB is 5x plus 12. Guys, the sum of these two segments is 93. 3x and 5x gives you 8x. Negative 7 plus 12 is plus 5. 8x plus 5 equals 93. 8x equals 88. Subtract 5 from both sides. Divide by 8. You get 11 for x. Plug it in, plug it in. 3 times 11 minus 7 is 26. This was the Cardinals' problem. We won the World Series in 26. 5 times 11 plus 12. We also won the World Series in 67. Love this problem. No, oh my gosh, we didn't talk about this, but we also won the World Series in 2011. Wow, wow, wow. What a question. This question is just destiny. 14 through 19, guys. Hopefully this is 12. It's 12 points total. 2 pop points per. Hopefully it's 12 easy points tomorrow. You're given 22 degrees. You have 90 on the left side. Take 90 minus 22. That's 68. This whole thing is 90. This was 50. Take 90 minus 50. This guy right here is 40. E, B, F. 68 degrees. D, B, A. 40 degrees. E, B, A, the left-right triangle, 90. DBC, all right, DBC could do a few things. DBC, this larger angle right there, you could do 50 plus 68 plus 22. Gives you 140, or you can do 180 minus 40. ABF, ABF, you could do 180 minus 22, or you could do 40 plus 50 plus 68. ABF, 158. Finally, DBF is the sum of the two middle angles right here. DBF, 50 and 68 give you 118. Great question here. Find the measure of angle John if angle now is 79. Well, now is right here. This forms a straight line. Do 180 minus 79, 101 degrees. Let's take a look at 21. Abe, good old Abe, is 4x minus 6. EBD is 2x plus 7. That should be in here. And DBC is 42 degrees. Guys, you have congruent arc marks. Look at the arc marks. The only thing you can say are equal are 4x minus 6 and 42. They have congruent arc marks. So set those two equal to each other. Add 6 to both sides. 4x is 48. X is 12. Take 12 and be like Glade. Plug it in, plug it in. 4 times 12 minus 6. You already know this is going to be 42 because those two angles are equal. Take 12, plug it in here. 2 times 12 plus 7 is 31. I believe we won the World Series in 31. I know we did in 42. There's some more Cardinals facts for you. I wanted the big angle, ABC. So I take 42, 31, and 42. I get 115 degrees. All right? These questions tomorrow are going to be like 7 points. So take your time. There's a lot to solve for. Show a bunch of work. You're going to have one like this tomorrow. The measure of one complementary angle is 38 more than the other. Find the measure of each. We say small angle plus large angle is 90. The small angle we always say is x. The large angle is whatever this says in terms of x. 38 more than the other. Well, if the other is x, 38 more than that is x plus 38. X plus x plus 38 equals 90. X and x gives you 2x. X plus 38 equals 90. Subtract 38. You get 2x is 52. X is 26. 90 minus 26 is another year the Cardinals won the World Series. 64. 64. By the end of the semester, you'll know every single year we won the World Series. Take a look at 23. 2 ways you can do 23. I think a lot of us like the first way better. This forms a straight line, so you have 180 degrees. You can take this angle, plus 77 equals 180. Combine like terms. You get 5x plus 52 is 180. 5x is 98. You could also do it this way. It's just like the angle John question. If this angle is 77, do 180 minus 77. This angle is 103. So you can set 5x plus 5 equal to 103. Either way, you get 19.6. There's really only one way to do 24. You just got to add these two angles. Set them equal to 180. A straight line is 180 degrees for 23 and 24. 5x and 3x got too many x's. It's time for Match.com. 5x and 3x gives you 8x. 7 plus 13 gives you 20 equals 180. Still waiting on farmersonly.com to get back to us about a sponsorship. We'll see if they get on board here. Subtract 20 from both sides. 8x is 160. X is 20. AB is perpendicular to BC. That means their right angles form. So you can say 4x minus 7 plus 31 is 90. That would give you 4x plus 24 is 90. 4x is 66. Or if this angle here is 31, you can do 90 minus 31, set this equal to 59. You can say 4x minus 7 is 59. Either way, 4x equals 66. X is 16.5. Getting to the end of the test here, find the midpoint of AB. If A is at -2, -6, and B is at 5, 9, take the x's, -2 and 5, add them together, divide by 2. -2 plus 5 over 2 is 3 over 2. Take the y's, -6 plus 9, add them together, divide by 2. 3 over 2. Guys, 3 over 2 is 1.5. So you can do 1.5, 1.5. Again, that's a coincidence that they're both the same, but that is the midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Guys, the distance formula is the Pythagorean theorem. Distance squared equals x distance squared plus y distance squared. Figure out what the x distance is by saying, hey, from 2 to 5, 5 minus 2, I traveled 3. Figure out the y distance from 4 to 9. 9 minus 4, I traveled 5. Distance. From A, I would go 4.5 to the left, 9 up. Subtract 4.5 from 2, because that's what it means when you go to the left. Again, it's 2 because A is at 2, 4. And then add 9 to 4, the y value, to figure out where you are. -2.5, comma 13. Alright, folks, this is 90.9, the quadratic, about ready to sign out for your Chapter 1 Geometry Test Review video.